Okay, so 15 say that f is a linear transformation from a plane to a real number, and you know that 1 1 is 1 and minus 1 0 is 2, and ask you about f of 3 5. So linear means that so f is can be viewed as a plane to the real number, and this plane can be viewed as a span of this 1 1 and minus 0. So basically, you first we just write a 3 5 as a linear combination of these two, and you can easily check that this is 5 minus plus 2 minus 1 0. So this is, you say that you can see the x component for both sides are 3, and the y component for both sides is 5. Then so f35 is equal to 5f11 plus 2f minus 1 0. So this is 5 times 4 plus 4 is 9. So the answer is E.